job to try to create as pretty of a dashboard as possible. So what I'm doing now is I am trying to give space for each one of our dashboard, each one of our visualizations. So that our dashboard could really look like a dashboard. Just give me a minute here. Just trying to make this work. You get the picture though. Just creating data visualizations. You really don't want to have this many colors. You want to have the colors of the company. Every company has colors color scheme, colors that you can use within the color scheme. The reason why I have these different colors on here is so that you can get an idea of the different ways, the different places where you can get your formatting completed. So now I'm going to come in here and I am going to format my pie chart, my slices. I don't want the blue. I want that color, and I want this color, and I want this color. Now, let's say that I want this background to be the same color as this background. I'm going to come over to this background, go to Format, go to General, go to Properties, I believe. Let's see. I'm going to highlight here the visual. It's not going to give it to me. I'm going to go to General and let's see. Properties. It's not in Properties. Effects. It's in Effects. So now I'm going to highlight here and no, that's not what I want to do. I'm going to highlight here. It's yellow. I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to select that color. So I just highlight that background color. I clicked it so I could have it to be the last color that was used, and now I'm using it here, and I want to come back over to this visual and I pretty much want to do the same thing because I want to have a similar background color for each one of my visuals. So now that visual is the same color. So now we're getting somewhere. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is day is Saturday, day is Monday. I already have a day is Saturday, so I'm going to highlight the day is Saturday and the day is Monday, and I'm going to delete those two because I already have one here. I'm going to make this visual the same height as that visual. Gonna bring this down just a little bit. Bring this down just a little bit. Then I'm gonna bring this down just a little bit. Then I'm going to extend it here. And I'm going to extend it here. And I like this rounded corner here, so I'm going to see what that point is on that rounded corner. General, Effects, Visual Border. That rounded corner is 20, so I'm going to put a rounded corner here. Just real quick, I do understand that everyone is not going to be interested in Power BI, but you're out there looking for a tech solution, a tech opportunity for you to get into the way you can make that career change, that career pivot. So for those of you guys that are out there that are into looking for that tech change, I do have a free 30-day calendar, a 30-day calendar. As you can see here, it's 30-day. Well, it's not a 30-day calendar. It's a 30-day tech transition planner. And it gives you day by day for 30 days, day 1 through day 30, to where you can use these steps in order to determine what tech venture you may want to get into. So I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. If you're interested in this free 30-day calendar that I have, just go to the link below in the link below in this video, and just click the link, follow the link, and we will get you over the 30-day tech transition planner. Just wanted to take a quick break to let you know that. Now let's get back over to the webinar. Here, so I can be consistent. Visual border, I'll turn it on. I'm gonna give it 20. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Turn the visual border on. Give it a 20. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't really like this bar chart to be this long. I'm gonna bring it in here. I'm gonna move this up because I didn't like the way my pie chart looked when it was stretched out. So I'm gonna bring my pie chart in. It looks better, smaller. And my line chart looked okay when I stretched it out a little bit. Okay? And I don't like my cards being so far spaced out. So I am going to make these guys here. I want all my cards to have the same background color. So I'm going to come here, General, Effects. I see that this is my background color, and I can just click on another card because it's going to put me in the same place, given that it's the same type of visual. And here, here, and here, and I want all my cards to have the same color text. So I'm gonna come to my visual, call value, and I see that this is the call value. So I'm gonna come here, here, boom, 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 boom. So we worked on some formatting again, which, as you can tell, formatting is very important when it comes to Power BI and data visualizations. There are going to be some jobs where the company's going to just say, hey, you know, we're not really concerned about data visualizations. Just give us what we ask for. They want a pretty much Excel spreadsheet with pretty pictures, and you can give them that. But at the same time, there are going to be, more often than not, organizations that want you to be able to create that pretty visualization. So you need to know where those formatting options are. Today, our primary purpose was to work on the pie chart, and I know that we said we were going to work on the divide function. We didn't really spend a whole lot of time on the divide. We didn't spend any time on the divide. We will get to divide here in another lesson, but creating this visualization and understanding how that pie chart was used and creating those additional functions or those additional measures to bring in Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday into a pie chart. You can do that for any of the entities within that particular table, and pretty much any entity in the table that you're using. So with that said, once again, thank you for joining this class, this lesson, and actually being members of and valued participants in the power of the BI. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.